Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm doing an unboxing for the new iPad Pro 11-inch and the new Apple iPad Pencil as well. So I have the old one here for comparison as well as the old Apple Pencil. So we will do that in a little bit. Let me just open this beauty up because I've been waiting all day literally to show you guys. So let me open this guy and show you guys what I got. So I got the 11-inch iPad Pro in silver. It is 256 gigabytes. I really hate that they don't do the 128 gigabyte anymore. They just jumped from 64 gigabytes to 256. Probably just to get you to spend more money because honestly 64 gigabytes is just not enough. Like I used already about 60 gigabytes on this iPad. I also had 256 on this as well, but I used about 60 of that as already and you know, another 4, and what was I gonna do with that? So anyway, here is the unboxing. Alright guys, here it is. Here's my new baby. I'll take it out of the packaging. Oh my god, this is so satisfying right now. And I'm gonna get fingerprints all over this. I do not have a screen protector. Oh yeah, look, fingerprint already. I do not have a screen protector on this yet or anything. I didn't even buy one. This was kind of all just like last minute buying stuff. So, as you guys can see, the difference between the 2017 and the 2018 already. This is the 10.5 inch. This one's a little bigger at 11 inches, though I'm really not seeing it. Maybe if I put it on top of one another. Oh, okay. It's wider. It's not taller. It's actually taller. If you could see, the other one sticks out, but on this side, this one sticks out here. But it's 11 inches because the screen is bigger, because you no longer have the home button on the bottom. You don't even know how to turn this thing on, to be honest. So let me see if this works. Hello, are you alive? All right, turning it on. So as you can see, the screen is much bigger. It starts here, ends here. Much bigger because you no longer have like these white edges. I also like that this one is now all black. The other thing is that the old iPad, the 2017 10.5 inch, this one came in a variety of colors. So obviously you guys can see I have a gold one. I believe they also had a rose gold, the silver, and the space gray. Whereas the new model, the 11 inch, they only have either the silver or the space gray. No more gold, no rose gold. Here you guys can see that the old iPad has rounded features here, and this one is literally just like flat and square. No more like roundedness here going on. So that's a difference also. Alright, for the Apple Pencil, let me open this. I already opened this in the car. I just couldn't wait any longer, but I waited for the iPad part. So the Apple Pencil, let me show you guys the difference for that. And then I'm not going to get too crazy into like specs, but obviously this would have a better camera. It has a different way of connecting the Apple Pencil, whereas this one is magnetic on the side of the iPad. As you guys can see, this is magnetic. And this one, to charge, you had to take off the cap, just like that, which was a pain in the butt not to lose this thing. And then you had to plug it in to the bottom here to charge. So obviously, you guys can see this sticks out a whole bunch, and like, what kind of design was that? I don't really know, but that's how we were charging the old iPad. So you couldn't really plug this in to charge your Apple Pencil while having your iPad charging as well, whereas this one is on the side. The other difference here, I don't know, I'll try to show you guys up close. So the other difference here is that this one is a matte finish, whereas this one was a glossy finish. It is a little bit lighter in weight as well, and it has the flat edge to obviously attach to your iPad and have like the magnetic feature. So it is a little bit different, and it is also a little bit shorter, as you guys could see here. But yeah, so overall, a new one, old one, I had like a case for my Apple Pencil. I had a silicone thing because it was slippery, and on my case I also had like an attachment for my pencil because it didn't really attach. So I would put my pencil in here on my old case. I still have to get a new case for this, but I'm trying to find something that's compatible with this magnetic feature to be able to charge my Apple Pencil, because on this one, this is also how it charges. It's great that it attaches, but it's also how the Apple Pencil charges. So those are some of like the main features in this new one. This new camera also has image stabilization, which is similar to the iPhone XS. This obviously does not have that. There is also a new connector to the new iPad. It's a USB-C connector, which is different than this one that was same as the iPad, not the iPad, the iPhone. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, so it's the same connector here as that, but the new one, now I need to have another charger that I need to walk around with, because now I have the USB-C charger. Just show you guys, this one is a little wider looking right here, so and that's that, guys. A different connector, so yeah, another charger for me to carry around. I was hoping it would be the same charger, but it's not. There's also some other differences, whereas the new one has 13 speaker holes, whereas the old iPad had 11 speaker holes, so this one obviously has better speaker quality. The headphone jack on this is now gone, so I'm gonna have to get myself a USB-C adapter. Here on the old iPad 10.5 inch, we had a speaker up here, a little circle thing. Here now I have to get an adapter to be able to use headphones, so that's also another change as well. I guess that's it, guys. So let me know if you guys have any other questions. Oops, I just made like a whole bunch of fingerprints on both of these screens. I'm gonna probably put this one back in the box. I'm kind of afraid to use it without the screen protector or anything, so I'm just gonna order one right away on Amazon and hope that it comes in time. I do have Amazon Prime, so there's that. I honestly love this new design of the iPad. I love that the screen is bigger. It takes away like this home button. I'm not sure how I feel about no home button, because I love the home button, but I do love how it's all black now and how it like has just more space on the screen without having these two top edges like with the home button and everything. So overall, I like that. I love the new Apple Pencil feature. Like, this is still attached this whole entire time, whereas this one is just like rolling all over the place and like it's doing whatever it wants to do. So I love all those features. I hope this kind of helps you, gives you like a quick rundown of the differences between the two iPads. I'm sure there's a little bit more, but in terms of like what I think is important to me, I went over that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!